Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you had a happy new year and a great holiday. I wanted to take a minute and put together a real quick video. This is going to be on the Gladiator. Wanted to give an update on something I've previously mentioned in other videos as far as the body corrosion goes. And this is a common issue on both the JLs and the JTs. They have some issues with the aluminum body panels corroding over time. Currently a ton of snow outside, so I can't really show the truck at the moment because it's covered in snow, as you can see here. So I want to let you know that I did go a few weeks ago to the local dealership and had them do the inspection of the vehicle as far as the corrosion issues go. I previously pointed out in videos, that I had some bubbling on the hood and doors, things like that. So they did do a very thorough evaluation. They cleaned it up, went over everything, looked in all the seams, all the edges of the panels, things like that. And after inspection, it does appear I'm going to be getting a new tailgate, a new hood, 4 new doors, and all new hinges. Everything will be included. They'll do any blending in the body that they need as well, based on panel look. And being that my vehicle came with the bed liner from the factory, they will replace the bed liner on the tailgate as well. There's some issues that you may have if you had it done after the fact. They wouldn't cover that, things like that. My hood struts, they said they will try and swap those over. Shouldn't be a problem. And then I've got a hood deflector on the front of the hood. They're going to try and save that and reinstall it on the new hood. So we will see what happens. But anyway, yeah, they did go ahead, get the clearance from Jeep. So it was approved as warranty work. Parts are on order, and I should be taking it in the next few weeks. So that's good news. Hopefully it turns out well, and I'm happy when all is said and done. So I will give an update on it once I have it back, let you know how things went, any issues I had. Hopefully there are none. That being said, on this topic, I would advise that you do some research if you have this issue with your vehicle, since it is so common. Do some searching online, see if you can find anybody locally that's had it done, and see if you can find dealers that are pretty good to work with. I've read some horror stories about some dealers that would not work with the customers regarding these corrosion issues, and then there are other dealers who are really good about it and know how to work with Jeep and get things taken care of. The dealer I chose, it does appear that they are that second one that does a good job with it. They did come recommended. So again, I will let you know once all is said and done. So as far as future videos go, I have one small part install video that I did before the snow came down that I'll probably be posting next weekend on the Jeep. I have some parts for the Cobra and the MR2, so there are going to be some upcoming videos on those two as well. This winter is going to be heavy on the Cobra, lots of suspension stuff and a few other issues to work on. So there will be more coming that route. And yeah, once I get the Jeep back, I will do a follow-up video on the corrosion repair. So that being said, if you want to follow along, if you like what you see, please hit like, please hit subscribe, please hit the notification bell. Also, I have opened a merch store, which you will see below the video. I'm going to be coming out with all kinds of different designs as time goes on, so please check it out, see if there's anything you're interested in. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. I do review them, and I will reply. And that being said, thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.